Good afternoon from the middle of nowhere. I'm LJ with today's adventure stop, and we're actually back in Arizona. We're off of Silver Creek Road, and this little dirt road leads you to the town of Oatman, Arizona. You can also take a couple different ways to get there, but this is one of my favorites. Are you ready for today's adventure? Let's go. On the western side of the Colorado River, you'll find the mini resort destination getaway of Laughlin, Nevada. With casinos and resorts lining the banks of the river, what a great Las Vegas alternative this is. But on the eastern side of the Colorado River, you'll find Bullhead City, a well-established local Arizona destination. Just a stone's throw away from Bullhead City is the small town of Oatman, Arizona, right along good old historic Route 66. Oatman is a small town in the Black Mountains of Mojave County. With a very small population of around 130 residents, this could be known as a tourist trap. Or is it? I don't think so. It's surrounded by a lot of history, and if you're into vintage collectibles, be sure to make this a pit stop along your road trip. Now, as I said previously, there's a couple ways to get to the town of Oatman. You can go around the eastern side off of Interstate 40 and travel through the windy hills up through the summit of Sitgreaves Pass. You can take the paved road from Bullhead City Parkway to Boundary Cone Road, or you can take my favorite road, this one here, this 14-mile dusty dirt road of Silver Creek Road, also from Bullhead City Parkway. Now, you really won't need four-wheel drive or a really high-clearance vehicle for this. I've seen Audis and BMWs traverse this dirt road. So as long as it's dry and there's no rain, you'll be fine in any vehicle, as long as you take it slow if you have that low ground clearance, and you don't mind a little dust and pebbles thrown your way. So this road here, Silver Creek Road, is a great little kind of mini off-road 4x4 adventure. So if you want to take like a little picnic lunch out there or take some guns to go shooting, it's really awesome out here, guys. And along the way, I saw a desert tortoise and also some burros. Don't leave just yet. Stay tuned as we head into the town of Oatman. Whoa, what a fun one! So I'm LJ with today's adventure stop here at our off-roading adventure in Oatman, Arizona. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you want, leave a comment down below. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye everyone!